Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the weight of your thoughts and emotions? What if I told you that true freedom lies in detachment? When we learn to detach from our experiences, we begin to see suffering for what it truly is, an illusion we create. It's not the events that cause our pain, but our attachment to them. Imagine releasing that grip and feeling a profound sense of peace. In this video, we'll explore the transformative power of detachment. You'll discover practical techniques to help you let go, such as mindfulness, meditation, and self-reflection. These tools will empower you to reclaim your peace. But that's not all. Stay tuned for our next video, where we dive into the art of letting go, how to release negative patterns. You'll learn how to identify what's holding you back and break free from the chains of past experiences. Join us as we embark on this journey of self-discovery. Remember, the path to freedom starts with a single step of detachment. Don't miss the next episode, and let's unlock a life of joy together. Until next time, breathe deeply and embrace the journey ahead.